You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of our favorite social media and video streaming platform. We'll be looking at how to say more brand names that too many mispronounce as well, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So how do you say it? Well, there are at least two different ways of pronouncing it. Being owned by Google and started in the US, you could argue that it should be said the American English way, which is as YouTube, YouTube. So note the T sound here and the tube sound, YouTube. Stress on the first syllable. Now, in British English, in the UK, it is often said as YouTube, chew. Yes, a ch sound for some reason. YouTube in British English, or YouTube in American English. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.